14, ready?
What is going on, guys? Today we got a brand new video with said MazdaSpeed 3. It's been a while, but I got that fresh content for you. So if you guys watched the Richter video where we went to the Richter yard, we picked up some nice door fabric. This is the Mazda 3, basically like black with like kind of a red stitching, and basically we're gonna be putting that in the Mazda Speed 3. It came from a Mazda GT post facelift 07, 08, 09, and we got it from a Richter yard for 60 bucks. Yeah, something like that, 15 a piece. Pretty good deal. So today we're gonna be taking apart the doors and putting those in the Mazda Speed 3, transferring it into a Mazda Speed 3, basically like an 09, because the 09s had like glossy black, like piano trim, like the Mazda 3 GTs did as well. So slowly kind of converting it into that. And these doors didn't come in the Speed 3s, but we're gonna be doing it because they're super sick and they'll go with the red that the Speed 3 is anyways. So let's go ahead, get started by taking the doors apart in the Mazda Speed 3. Okay, so to take apart the top half of the door skin, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then there is a rivet out there that you're gonna have to bust out. So we'll go ahead and start taking these apart. Oh, you know what I'm gonna use? Screw you. Alright, so Bueno door has been complete, and the rear door behind me as well has been complete. Looks a lot better black, so now we gotta get gloss black trim right here, the chrome door handles they have to offer, and now we are doing the last door on this side. Okay, and the Speed has been completed. So all doors were pretty easy to do. Gives the inside a whole new look. Just kind of darkens it up a bit. So the only problem you guys will basically have is trying to get that pin out that sits right here on each door. It's just a little pain to wiggle it out and stuff. And then you'll have to destroy the rivet things that sit there. But other than that, make sure all the clips that are in the door are secured and put back into the door panel when you put them back on. This looks super nice. I'm really happy with how it looks. Next thing will be is to gloss up the silver trim. Alright, and that is the door panels for the MazdaSpeed 3. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content with the Speed 3. Thank God she is back. We got some rain visors coming up next for it and some other cool things on the channel. Please stay tuned because we're so stoked. Other than that, guys, keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.